I have nothing to say. Let's just start. I'm Nemesis. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Alright, so before we get started, let's talk about the song of the week. This song of the week goes in honor of two people that have just always been great. And these past 2 weeks, they've been doing things that I have liked. First person, Rihanna, looking absolutely fucking incredible while pregnant. I don't think she's a human. And second person is Kendrick Lamar. He ate at the Super Bowl. They have a song together called Loyalty. Is from Kendrick Lamar's Damn album, and I love that song. It's actually one of my top 3 songs from that album, and that album is absolute golden. So that's it. Shout out to Kendrick and Rihanna. I have nothing else to say. Let's carry on. Alright, so as you saw by the title of today's video, you know what we're back to do today. We're doing an updated week in my hair. Woo! Riveting content. I say this is an updated version because back in 2020, I put out this video, which was a week in my hair while my hair was very short. It looks very different than what it looks now. I feel like I look very different in that video too. I don't know that girl. Do you know her? Who the fuck is that? But yeah, in this video, I will be showing you what a typical week in my hair looks like, what I do to kind of maintain it, what I do when I don't want it on my face, what I do when I work out, what I do with it when I sleep, what I do with it just to kind of like make it survive through the week. And yeah, that's it. No more details to share. Let's just get started. Take it away, Nemesis from last week. Hi, welcome to day 1. So today is wash day. And for today's wash day, I'm actually gonna be using a pre-wash treatment, which is this one right here. I've spoken about her before. This is the Olaplex number 3. It's a bond repairing treatment. And the reason why I'm gonna use it today is because I've been wearing my hair a lot on these types of very tight hairstyles that are not good for your hair because they can cause quite a bit of a breakage. So to mend some of the damage that I have caused myself, I'm gonna be applying this treatment today. First, I gotta wet the whole entire thing and then I'll apply it. So just give me a minute while I do that. Alright, so as you can see, product is applied everywhere. I put it in a little claw clip and I'm gonna leave it on for, honestly, I don't know how long, maybe 20 minutes to an hour plus. That's the good thing about this product. You can leave it on, honestly, for as long as you want, as long as it's after 20 minutes. So I'll be back when I'm ready to remove this. Hey besties, I'm back. It has been way more than just an hour. I think it's been like around 2 hours. I should have showed you the time before leaving, but right now it's 4 p.m. Which is very late in the day to be doing a whole wash day. So I'm not gonna show you my whole entire wash day routine. You can reference any of these 2 videos right here to see my whole entire thing. I'm very thorough on both of those. But I do want to share the products that I'm gonna be using today because they are brand new to me. I'm gonna be using a whole entire wash day routine of this brand. They're called LUS or Loose. This is not sponsored, obviously. They just sent it to me and I'm gonna be testing them out today. I have their shampoo and their conditioner, a curl cream, and a gel, which I think recently came out. So that way I can also give you my thoughts on these. I'm gonna go do the deed. Hopefully the sun will still be out by the time I come back. Let's see how it goes. Hey, so it's been quite a few hours. It's now nighttime, so obviously the sun is gone. That's why you're here in my bathroom. But these were my wash day results today using the LUS brand, and honestly, so far so good. Like, we're looking good. My hair looks pretty shiny, defined, bouncy, healthy, back to normal, back to the usual. But now that we're here in the bathroom and it is nighttime, I'm gonna show you exactly how it is that I've been sleeping on my hair lately. I use 2 very simple things, a satin scrunchie and a satin bonnet. First step, flip your head. Second step, do a little loose pineapple type of ponytail. And I'm gonna tie it pretty loosely. I'm only gonna tie it around twice. Yay! Next, I'm gonna take my bonnet. This is the one I have. It's from a very small black-owned brand called Knotless K. I'll put her info obviously down in the description. This is an extra long bonnet. It's meant for like very long hairstyles like braids, etc, etc, but I like using it for just this. I'm gonna show you. I put my hair inside the bonnet, right? And I try to keep it all the way here in the front. And you see this little button, right? So I kind of like wrap this end around here and then secure it there. The main reason why I like this type of bonnet that ties up in the front is that it kind of keeps my ponytail right in the front instead of letting it slide to the back, where I'm basically going to crush it with my pillow. Other bonnets work great too. This is just my preference, even though I am in the process of ordering some other types of bonnets. If you have any bonnet recommendations, leave them in the comments, please. And that's it. That is day 1. I will see you tomorrow for day 2 of a wig in my hair. Good morning. Good morning. Happy second day. Every time I take this bonnet off, every single morning, it's just a gamble. Let's see if it's good or a complete disaster. Who knows? And that's the life with curly and wavy hair. All right, here we are. Here's my little pineapple ponytail. Let me take it off. So immediately after taking off the ponytail, instead of just flipping my hair, I like waking up the roots. It's like waking up the curls. So I like to first shake my roots and then start slowly like flipping it. This situation happens because I have bangs, and since I have them on that ponytail, they get very wonky, but just give me 1 second. All right, so I parted it in the middle. It's not bad. We still have our little clumps, our little definition. It's all good. I do see that there's a little bit of frizz, so I'm just gonna add a tiny bit of oil just to seal in some moisture, tame frizz throughout the day. But that's it. I'm not gonna do any type of refreshing, anything like that. On second day hair, I usually don't. I'm just gliding a little bit of oil. All right, there we go. Not bad, not bad. Morning allergies. My God, this is why I never film in the morning, because look what a mess I am. I am going to do a workout later today, so I'll be back to show you guys how it is that I work out on my hair and what I do to kind of like refresh it right after working out. See you, bye. Hey, so it is right now later in the day. It is right now 5 p.m. I'm about to work out right now, so I wanted to show you how I put my hair up while working out in an attempt to kind of preserve it. I use a satin scrunchie once again. I put my hair up like this, but instead of doing a ponytail when I'm working out, it's just more comfortable for me to do this type of like bun type of thing, and then I just put this to the back. It looks ridiculous, I know. I'm gonna take some bobby pins to kind of like pin down the ends of my hair so that I don't look as ridiculous, even though I'm gonna look ridiculous. But then again, I work out at home, so I don't care. If you work out at an actual gym or whatever public establishment, you can do a variation of this. Just make sure to first of all use satin scrunchies or a satin hair tie so that it doesn't dent your hair as much and it doesn't cause a lot of breakage, and to do something right at the top of your head so that you don't get a lot of the sweat that you're going to produce on your hair. Yeah, I'm gonna go work out. I'll be back when I'm sweaty and disgusting. Hi, and welcome to my bathroom again. So I finished my workout and already dried up most of my sweat. So now I'm just going to do a little refresh. It's not even a refresh. I'm just gonna dry up my scalp so that my hair or my scalp doesn't get too oily by this very sweaty workout. I'm gonna give my roots once again a little shake, and without even flipping my hair back, I'm gonna use my blow dryer to dry up my scalp because I can literally feel the sweat. It's pretty disgusting. So I'm just gonna hover with my heat turned to low, but my speed turned all the way up. All right, and once I feel like my scalp is pretty much dry, I'm gonna do a little spritz of dry shampoo, especially in my oiliest areas, which are right here in the front. And I'm gonna spray a tiny little bit in the back too. All right, and now I'm gonna do a tiny little pass through of cool air all over my scalp. And that's it. My hair is pretty much good. It's back to a cleaner, more manageable state. And my clumps and definition are still there. So now I'm just gonna shower and I'm gonna sleep on my hair exactly how I showed you last night. And I will see you tomorrow for day 3. Bye. Okay, welcome to day 3. So as you can see, I'm already dressed up and whatever, so I've already seen what my hair looked like this morning, and we have some work to do. This is not great. This is not usually what my day 3 hair looks like after a really good wash day, but it's fine. It's fine because it's real. You can relate. At least there's not a ton of like frizz or dryness really, because the products that I used were nourishing enough, but there is a very apparent loss in definition. So I'm just gonna do a very quick refresh, similar to the first refresh routine I showed in this video right here, the one with the mousse, but today I'm gonna be using a different mousse. This is the Dew Texture Foam. I'm just gonna divide my hair. Ow, ow. Oh, okay, I got knots. How did my hair get tangled? Do you see this? Yeah, we got a situation here. Okay, the knot is really not that bad. Now that I pulled a few hairs apart, it's really not that bad. She just needs some TLC. There we go. See, that wasn't too bad. Now she's good. When you deal with knots like that, if they are really, really bad, I recommend applying just like a few drops of oil and start like pulling the hair apart until it's untangled or detangled. Is it untangled or detangled? I don't know English, whatever. As I was saying though, I'm gonna separate my top and my bottom layers to do a very quick refresh using a mousse. I just recently uploaded a whole entire video that's dedicated to how I refresh my hair, 3 different ways that I do with 3 different types of products. So I'm not gonna get super in detail right now with how it is that I refresh. We're just gonna speed through this. First of all, of course, I divide my hair in sections. Second, I make sure to dampen all the little sections that I want to refresh. All right, now that I've achieved the level of wetness that I want on my section, instead of going directly with the mousse right now, I am going to apply the tiniest little bit of a cream. This is the cream that I used on my wash day. So I'm just gonna use a tiny bit since I noticed that I do have a few knots going around. So literally, bro, like a drop, and just rake it through. All right, that's good. And then I'm just gonna apply the mousse directly. So I'm just gonna glide and scrunch. Also, shit smells so good. If you want to incorporate brush styling, this would be the moment to do it right after applying a little bit of mousse. I'm gonna skip it for today because I have things to do. I have to go to work today, which is so I'm just gonna repeat the same thing on the other side. And that's it. Now I'm just gonna repeat the exact same steps on my top sections and I will be right back. I mean, actually, I'm gonna diffuse and then I'll be right back. Hey, I'm back. Hair has been officially styled and dried, and these are my little refresh results. They're good. They're good. I am happy. I am pleased. My hair looks so much better than the situation I had. This is also a fantastic, fantastic mousse if you are looking for that like hold and volume and like bounce. Add it to your wash days and even to your refreshes. All right, and that's it. I'm gonna see you tomorrow for day number 4. All right, hello, welcome to day 4. So this is the state of my hair right now. It's not bad at all because of the refresh that I did yesterday. It is a little bit like puffy, but in a good way, in my opinion. Don't tell me otherwise, that'll hurt my feelings. But I am getting ready right now to go out to brunch with my boyfriend. Right there, waiting for me to be done. He looks so mad. So I thought I should do a hairstyle today. I put my hair already to the side, which is very strange for me. I always have my hair in the middle. I'm gonna take just like a little front section right here and start twisting it around and pin it back here. That's literally it. If you thought you were gonna get a difficult, elaborate hairstyle from me, you came to the wrong channel. I feel like side parts and getting your hair pinned up a little bit is kind of like my go-to for whenever I want to look a little bit fancy or like a little bit put together. And I think that's it, honestly. Like, I don't really want to do the most because I do like how my hair looks like this. I don't feel like doing any type of refresh. We're doing good. We're doing good, especially for day 4. So that's it. I will see you tomorrow for day 5. Let's see how long we can keep this up. Hey, welcome to day 5 of my hair. Look at this mess. Yeah. I think this is gonna be the culmination of my week. Yeah, I'm not gonna keep styling my hair. What I am gonna do today is I'm gonna do a little hairstyle where I can just clip back everything and not have to worry about my hair until I have time to wash it. It's not gonna be today, absolutely not. It might be tomorrow. It might be 2 days from now. Who knows? But I'm gonna show you my go-to like hairstyle that I do when I know like I don't wanna keep refreshing my waves. I don't wanna keep wearing my hair down. Instead of a slick back bun, I'm gonna do a slick back claw clip hairstyle. First, I'm just gonna wet a little bit of my roots. Then I'm gonna take a very dense boar bristle brush like this one and start sleeking this back. I'm gonna use a bit of my Kristen S leave-in conditioner, and it comes in a spray bottle, so it's so much more convenient for this. I'm gonna grab all my hair down here as if I'm doing a low ponytail, but once I grab it, I'm gonna start twisting it. I'm gonna put it like this, but instead of just putting the claw clip here, I'm gonna do like a weird long bun. And that's what I'm gonna clip. If you need to sleek anything up here, go ahead and do so. I'm gonna do it, and I'm gonna put some bobby pins. And that's it, my lovelies. I'm gonna pop some gold hoops to make me feel like I'm more put together than I actually am. And the good thing about this hairstyle too is that honestly, it looks good. It looks work appropriate or school appropriate. I don't know, wherever it is that you're going, I don't know, but it's not causing more damage to your hair as a sleek bun or one of those like very tight ponytails up here. And it's also super easy, super comfortable. You can keep doing it for however many days you need to until you have time to wash your hair. So that is it. That is the conclusion of my video. This was a very typical week in my hair. There are weeks that it lasts 4 days. There's weeks that it lasts 5 days. There's weeks that it lasts 6 days. It all depends on what I do on my wash day, and that kind of determines the rest. On this wash day, I tried new products and a very not super strong gel, so maybe that's why it only lasted 4 days instead of the usual 5 to 6, but it's okay. It's just hair. Is this also what a week in your hair looks like? Is there any differences? And you know, let me know your thoughts, baby. So yeah, I really hope you found this helpful or entertaining. I never know. But if you did enjoy this video, please consider liking and subscribing to my channel. Also follow me on Instagram at nemesismarie06 and on my 2 different TikToks if you want to. I don't know. I'll put them right there on the screen. If you have any other video suggestions, please let me know in the comments down below. And most importantly, girls, boys, gender non-binaries, how great race